Hello, we did it. Thank you for crocheting with me this year, and this is the final product. What do you think? Let's recap. We learned 27 different designs, and we were learning only with 2 color yarn. Then we connected all those designs with contrasting color yarn. And for my connection, I was using regular granny square stitch. So which one of those 27 different designs was your favorite this year? Did you complete your blanket, or are you still working on? I want to take a moment and say thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you for supporting handmade art. This is how the blanket looks on the bed, and I think looks great. I love it. Let me know what color did you use, and did you use all 24, actually 27 designs. Now I can be warm all winter.